Welcome again to Body with Brian in the lockdown. And like the rest of us, I expect we're bored out of our brains, but are looking in our workshop to see what needs doing, and it's long past and overdue to do, so we're working on it. I've started seeing floor space, for example. I mean, swept a little bit up. But one of the things I really wanted to do was solve some of the problems I've been having with my lighting. One of the problems we've been having with the lighting is that they were installed with 8-foot fluorescent tubes, and slowly, one by one, they were going out. I wanted to improve the lighting, and certainly LED lighting and the daylight lighting makes quite a bit of difference. And I've had these panels, these 600 by 600 panels, in stock, ready to go, and this was the time to do it. There will be a link below to see where we get these from. People who might know these will see these very often used in offices, and they're used in grid pattern for the removable tiles and so on in offices. And when I've used them before, to make them surface mount, you had to buy a frame kit extra. Now, when I invested the cost of doing all this, I looked at the cost of buying new 8-foot tubes, and they ran anywhere between £13 and £23 a tube. I've got loads of 125 watt tubes, brand new, but of course all mine are 100 watt, and the two aren't interchangeable. So in investigating the cost of these panels, I saw that the panel itself, without the frame, was about £17, including VAT and delivery. Very close to what a tube would come, because they'll obviously last a lot longer, and the light is designed to be much better. But if we looked, they have now started making these surface mount all built up, and this is a steel frame, as you can see, and with the panel already built in. It has its lead, and it has a ballast or a transformer thing that you plug in. So anybody who's fitted anything like these will know that to put these up, you need 6 hands. You need one to plug this in. You can't hang it off of it, so you've got to support the weight. You need to be able to line it up, and all of that requires a minimum of 2 people, and with social distancing, that's, excuse me, not possible or not practical. So I developed a system for dealing with these, and what it is this device here. And what I've done is I've made a tray which you can see here, that I can lay the fitting in, and then with it up ready, I can jack it up and it's held on the ceiling. This is obviously something that's used quite often for plasterboard, and we put a link below to show you where you could buy these. But this is sat in my workshop for some time, and it's found its use. So, having got it up there, one of the next problems is getting these screws into their holes. So a top tip is to initially locate with some nails the first 3 holes. Then this device can be let down and you can work on putting the first screw in, taking out the nails bit one by one until you've fitted all of them up. The net result is, as you can see on the ceiling, I've got 5 of them so far. Here's this last one ready to go in up here, and you can see the frame that you screw to the ceiling before you locate the frame. So the overall lighting effect is vastly improved, much more natural for working in a workshop because it's daylight colour, and I can heartily recommend using this kind of system if you're having the same problem with fluorescent tubes, etc, etc. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget to subscribe. Look us up on Twitter, YouTube or Instagram, and of course if you've got any comments, please put them below.